Hello.
Hi. Hi, Dash.
How
How
are
are
you
you?
today?
I'm
I'm
fine,
fine.
thank you. Right. Can you hear me
Uh,
clearly?
yes, I can hear you. What
Okay.
did you do in today? On I can't.
Okay.
Like, what did you do?
Let's begin with a conversation because we are meeting for the first time, and then I can tell
Yeah.
you what I've been doing for the whole day. Okay. So, Dash, are we meeting for the first time?
Yes.
Right. So you can see on the screen, my name is Rini Rose, and I'm speaking to you from India, from a state called Tamil Nadu in the southern part of India. So I'm a language trainer and also I'm an author. Okay, that's about me. Would you? Yes, I've got my books published. That's why I call myself an author. Would you like to introduce yourself, Dash?
Yeah. My name is Thurston Webb,
Okay,
and I am from Maharashtra.
right.
In Nasik.
In which grade? In
I'm
which
in
grade?
sixth,
Sixth grade.
and my favorite subject is maths
Maths. Okay. Give me one reason. Why do you like math so much?
because it is interesting.
It is interesting. So how many languages do you study? Do you get to study in your syllabus?
French, English,
Hmm?
Hindi.
Wow, that's great. So you asked me what I did today. Do you want to know the
Yeah.
answer? Okay.
Yeah.
So I wake up at 6 o'clock daily, and then I have a bit of work at home because I have a son, I have a husband, so all those things. I send my son to school, and then after that, I'll have my language training sessions. Okay, so I had with Clappingo and then a couple on other platforms. Then I sit down to read for maybe 1 hour, an article or something that comes by way. Then
Yeah.
it's time for lunch. So I have my lunch around 1:30. Okay. And I take a short nap, and then I have tea, after which again I have my sessions. I had a meet today. There was an author's meet. So I took part in that. So 2 meetings were there. Then I sat for the Clappingo sessions, and in between I'm here. I'm meeting you today.
Yeah.